All right, YouTube, this video, we have a 2011 Can-Am Spyder ignition, and we're going to use the ZD24R 2-in-1 Lishi to pick and decode it. And if you want to see the key actually being cut, check out the next video. It'll be number 579. We'll actually be cutting the key for it. As far as leashing it goes, pretty straightforward. I'm going to just insert the tool into the lock. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here so we can make sure everybody can see. All right, and this is a double-sided lock here, so it's to identify where our tumblers are. So we're going to have evens going up, odds going up, evens will be going down. And just going to apply tension as always and go through and look for something binding. All right, 3 is binding. Nice, click on 3. 4 binding, click on 4, nothing on 5 or 6. Okay, 1's binding, click on 1. 2 springy. Okay, 3 is binding again, got another click on 3. Okay, now 5 is binding, click on 5. 6 springy. Another click on 1, and we are actually picked. So now we're picked, we can actually decode the lock. And these do decode pretty accurately. Actually, I don't recall ever having any trouble decoding one of these. All right, so we're going to have a 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And notice we never picked 6, so 6 is going to be a 4. So the bidding we have is 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. And so we already cut the key here. So here's our key right here. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, and we see it does work perfectly here. And then one little tip also on these things, this is a 2011 ignition, and you notice that the keyway is very accessible, and our test key fits right in there, no problem. On the newer ones, maybe like 19 or 20 and up, this black ring is actually a lot narrower, so when you put the key in, it actually hits like right here on your key, and it won't go all the way in, so you just take clippers or something and just cut it right here and cut it right here, so all you got is just the shaft of the key, and then it'll go in so you can actually test it and make sure it works before you cut the $70 chip key. So that's all I got on this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.